Hi Anna. So while we wait for this electron business to be sorted out, then I think this would be really the best solution. But since what we care about is being able to use the Personal Genome Project data, I wrote some little R function called fetch23, and you can get it by sourcing it. So if you point the source command to the URL, I'm not sure if you're familiar with R, but if you are, this is fairly straightforward, and it's being served from GitHub directly using GH pages. So that's what the IO does for you. So here we go. So now fetch23 is there. There it is. You could look at the code here, although I also have it here on the side if you want to have a closer look at it. So let's show it here. There it is. So it's fairly straightforward. And if you put the number of the PGP entry, you get the PGP entry pushed into a directory named 23andMe. So I'm going to clear it, and I'm going to redo this in the recording. Alright, so let's clear this. Sourced in. Fetch, I believe the one we played with was 4142. And so this is empty here, the 23andMe folder. Oh, fetch23 of course. There we go. And now the file is going to appear here. RStudio doesn't update immediately the contents of the folder. So sometimes what I do is that I exit to the parent directory and then I just go back. And you see PGP 4142 is already coming through. It's not completely done. The connection is typically slow. That's on their side, PGP, not mine. I have a wired connection right now at NIH. So it's a very fast one. So let's do another one. So now if we come up with an array of the entries you want, potentially all 4,000 of them, it could go item entry by entry and automatically populate a directory with the actual data. So here comes the next one. So let's go in. So for instance, this should have been updated. It's more than 11 megabytes for sure. So if I go back, 23andMe, it's in the megabyte range, not the kilobyte range. And we could go on. And let's have a quick look at the file. So in the file system, I'm going to manually decompress these two. Oh, this is compress. Archive. Decompressed. Cajun is the name of the donor. And now we move to decompress. I believe it's Christopher. Yep, Christopher. There it is. So if we open this, you see the 23andMe entry, ready to be consumed by the PRS calculator and other tools. Alright, I'll stop here. I'll try to work some more on Electron to figure out how far can we push it. Alright, bye now.